is Reginald Turner. I came in today at the Medical Connection for my left knee injections. Been coming here for less than a year, and I'm getting 80% tall results. I love
that's
it.
good.
Yeah.
So what other things have you tried in the past?
I've had on my right leg, I done had total knee replacement.
Wow.
This one I've had symbestic knee injections for the last 3-4 years. But this here just outdoes all of it. This has eliminated me going through on my left knee for total knee replacement for my surgery. So I love it, yes.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And so when you did those other therapies, what did you notice and it changed from that therapy to this therapy?
Well, this one is a little more, you get results faster. And I think it's been 3-4 months.
Wow.
And it's been excellent, so yeah.
You have quite a while to go still too.
Yes. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And then when you're being more active, right, do you notice anything changing in the pain or the tension?
I think I am more, a little more active. I live in a 3-story, so I have like 15 stories of stairs going up and down, and I can tell the difference of that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you so much.
Thank
I
you,
really
man.
appreciate it.
All right, thank you.